Mock Test Week 2, Video 5. Before you start, can you do 57 squared literally in 5 seconds? Please stay with us and we will give you the tips at the end. Hello everyone, my name is Attila. Welcome to week 2 of our 52-week program for grammar school admission test, year 7 admission test, or SATs. Today we will do 5 questions from mock test 1, stage 2. For the stage 2 mock test, you will not be given any answer like those in stage 1. You have to work it out. You will be given space for calculation. However, practicing the stage 2 mock test will give you a significant boost in your confidence and knowledge, and will significantly improve your stage 1 test. So practice stage 2 test alongside stage 1. We prepare 52 mock exams for stage 1 and stage 2. In each video, we will solve 5 similar questions from the mock exam. If you like it, you can take the full exam, which consists of 40 questions. The links are given in the description box. Now, let's move on and solve 5 questions from mock exam 1, stage 2. Here are the 5 similar questions from mock exam 1. These questions are unique, which means there is no repetition of the exact same question in different mock test papers. I want you to pause the video, take a pen and a paper, and solve these 5 questions in 7 minutes. If you need more time, don't worry for now. Practice more to stay within the allowed time. Here are 5 questions from Stage 2 Mock Test 1 for you. Let's solve it and see if you managed to answer all of them correctly. Question 1. What is 21 over 100 divided by 3 over 100? We already discussed the BODMAS rule. If you didn't see it, please see video 3. So, in this case, we just replace the division sign with the multiplication and switch the numerator and the denominator of the fraction next to the division sign. Now we can cross out 100. 3 times 7 equals 21. So the answer is 7. Question 2. A. How much does she spend if she buys 2 helicopters and a car? Double 549. 5 times 2 is 10, and 49 times 2 is 98. Or 50 times 2 is 100, minus 2 is 98. So the cost of 2 helicopters is 10.98. Now add £4 to 10.98 and we get 14.98. Now subtract 1p. So the answer is £14 and 97p. £3.99 is the same as 4 minus 1p. For a simple calculation, we use this trick. B. How much more expensive is a train toy than a helicopter? To find out how much more expensive a train toy is than a helicopter, we subtract the helicopter price from the train price. So, 11.50 minus 5.49. The result is 6.01. How much does she spend if she buys all three items? Now, add the price of all three items. So, $3.99 plus $5.49 plus $11.50 is $20.98. So, she needs £20 and 98p to buy all three items. Question 3. Shade 1/3 of these marbles. Here we have 12 marbles. 1/3 of 12 is 4. Now shade 4 marbles. Question 4. The area of each small corner square is 1 centimeter square. Find the inside area, the white part. The small square's each side is 1 centimeter, and each corner has the same 1 centimeter square. So the length of the white rectangle is 9 minus 1 or 7 centimeters. Width is 6 minus 1 or 4 centimeters. Now the area of the white rectangle is 7 times 4 or 28 centimeters squared. Question 5. Find the height of the table. You can literally solve this question in 5 to 10 seconds. 110 plus 90 is 200. Divided by 2, it's 100. And that is our answer. Explanation. From the left side, if we measure the height from the base of the table up to the chicken, we add the chicken and subtract the duck. Again, from the right side, if we measure height from the base of the table up to the duck, we add the duck and subtract the chicken. Now, if we add them all, chicken and duck will cross out, and the value of 2 tables remain. Since we need 1 table value, we divide the value by 2. Let's check it with algebra. First, we make an equation for the left side. We add the total table height and chicken height, and then subtract duck height, and we get 110 centimeters. Table plus chicken minus duck equals 110 centimeters. Next, we make an equation for the right side. We add the total table height and duck height, and then subtract chicken height, and we get 90 centimeters. Table minus chicken plus duck equals 90 centimeters. Adding them both. Cross out chicken, cross out duck. We have 2 table heights. So the table height is 200 divided by 2 or 100. Genius, isn't it? Year 11 plus Math Genius. Now, if you like it, you can take the full mock exam. How will the full mock exam work, you may ask? We will email you the question paper and answers. You print it off and complete the exam within 50 minutes. Do not see the answers before you take the test. After finishing the exam, please email us to confirm that you have completed it. Afterwards, we will send you a video link with a step-by-step solution for each question. This video is completely free when you take the full mock exam. It is like a one-to-one private tutor, and we will solve all problems together. We are confident that it will dramatically boost your exam preparation and give you a greater chance of having a place in a grammar school or a similar school. If it sounds great, please check the link in our description box and take the exam. It is possible to do 57 squared in 5 seconds. The full details, explanation, and tips are coming in our next video, which is video 6. That's all from 11 Plus Maths Genius for this week. Next week, the third week, we will solve the 5 different questions from mock exam 2, stage 1. So please subscribe and do not miss anything. Until then, be vigilant when you're outside, stay safe, stay healthy, and practice more. See you guys later in video 6. See ya. You might escape a serial killer, even a zombie apocalypse or a nuke, but the one thing you cannot escape is time.
So, get accepted in grammar school on your first attempt before time runs out. Because there is no second attempt. Subscribe and join our free lectures and mock tests today.